Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Open Premiere Pro and create a sequence that matches your camera. Set frame rate to 24 or 30 FPS and audio sample rate to 48K HC so waveforms align. Import camera clip and separate recorder audio, then place them on adjacent tracks in the timeline. Trim each clip to include a distinct clap, spoken cue, or at least 2 seconds of clear waveform. This makes automatic sync reliable. Turn on track targeting, and make sure both clips start near the same timecode for fastest results. Select the camera clip and the external audio clip together, right-click and choose Synchronize, or go to Clip Synchronize and pick audio as the sync point. This tells Premiere to analyze waveform peaks. Premiere compares the waveforms and shifts clips to match loud events like a clap, aligning duration and phase automatically. If the sync fails, or you see a one-frame offset, increase clip overlap to at least 5 seconds. Then run Synchronize again, or manually nudge by 1 frame to perfect lip sync. After automatic alignment, lock the external audio track and mute the camera's onboard audio track, then play back to check for drift over 30 to 60 seconds. If you notice a small offset, use the slip tool or nudge the camera clip up to 3 frames to visually match mouth movement. Cut away or unlink and delete bad camera audio to avoid bleed. When exporting, select 48K HC and 24-bit audio. Disable unnecessary camera audio tracks, and render a short test clip to confirm perfect sync before final export.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.